Hey guys, this is Christy with Flip Flop Graphics. We just wanted to show you a quick video on how to finish your LuLaRoe sticker after you have it installed on your vehicle. So once you have the graphic installed, you're going to peel off this clear piece of transfer tape, which we've shown you in our first video. You want to keep it close to the window. In this case, it's a magnet. And just peel at an angle. It'll make it a little bit easier to peel it off the window. And just keep peeling until you have this first layer off. And you can just throw that away. Now, once you have that finished, you're going to have a clear piece of tape on each one of these LuLaRoe letters. This is the next important part. You're just going to have to go in and peel each one of these clear pieces off. One at a time, just take your time, peel slow. And the last one is your squares. And just be careful, sometimes some of these corners can stick up a little bit. And then you can just kind of take your finger or a rag and push everything down, and you're good to go. And there's your finished product.